Welcome to Nari Sakhi. Today we are making Khirapat, which is sweet coconut mixture which is offered to God on special occasions, on festivals, pujas, and especially during Ganesh Chaturthi. Very easy, very tasty. So here I've taken 1 cup of dry coconut. We are just going to roast it for about 2 minutes. We're not changing the color or nothing. It just so that it stays longer and it tastes better. So now this is done, just 2 minutes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some cardamom powder, put off the gas stove, add some cardamom powder so it absorbs that flavor. And this is, see, the color is not changed. I'm going to put it in a separate bowl. And to this, I'm going to add powdered sugar. You can also take rock sugar and powder it. So if there are some, you have to mix it thoroughly so that it gets mixed very nicely so that all the coconut is coated with the sugar. Dry fruits are optional, so add dry fruits and dry fruits of your choice, whatever dry fruits you have, like cashews, raisins, and some cardamom powder to top it off. You can store this and in an airtight container for about 1 week. Do try this and let me know if you have any questions or comments. Please subscribe Nari Sakhi for more videos.